Hi, are you looking to learn how to make the best home fries? This is the channel for you. Hi, I'm Chef Edward, and I've been a professional chef for over a decade, and I'm here to show you tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. So, what you'll need is potatoes, onions. I have onion that is diced to a large dice. I have black pepper. I have a tablespoon of garlic powder. I have chopped up parsley. I have a tablespoon of paprika, and I have salt. So what you want to do is you want to peel your potato. You want to. I have three potatoes actually. I have a couple already cut up and diced. So you want to cut up your potato like a large dice. So you want to take your potatoes, put it in a pot, and let it boil for about 15-20 minutes until it's nice and tender. Okay, while we're waiting on our potatoes to cook, next we are going to cook our onions. We're going to take a pan, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil, and our goal is to cook our onions to be translucent because we don't want raw onions. So you want it on a medium to low heat. Okay, we're going to take the onions off the heat. They're nice and translucent. Okay, let's check our potatoes. And they are al dente. They're just how I want them. Or you could just put a fork through them. Now we're going to strain them. Okay, we're straining our potatoes. Okay, our potatoes are cooked. We are going to mix them in the bowl. So we're going to take our potatoes. We're going to take our onions that are slightly cooked. We're going to take salt. We're going to salt this to taste. Our black pepper. Our garlic powder. Our paprika. Our parsley. And also olive oil. Just about, I would say a tablespoon, maybe two. And we're going to mix it up. And next, we're going to put it in our oven. I have our oven already preset at 350, and we're going to let it cook for at least 30 minutes or until the potatoes are golden brown. Okay, it's been about 25 minutes. It's time to check on our potatoes, see if they're golden or not. Oh, these are ready to come out. These are ready. So these are nice and golden. So you want it a little bit crunchy on the outside and nice and soft on the inside. Okay, let's have a taste. That's really good. And if you like more recipes like this, please subscribe. And now it's your turn. Now, thank you for watching.